good, yeah. Well, I'd rather like keep them inside. There used to be a place kind of like that over off, I don't know, maybe they're still there off Phillips.
Like $250,000 Range Rover.
Here, let's get, I don't know if you can, oh, there we go. You can see the brake pads. They're new. V12 badge. I have the black V12 Biturbo badges, and the, I like BMWs too. Holy crap. These have a lot of meat on the tires. These are new tires. They only have like 1,500 miles, maybe 1,700 miles on them. Show you the inside, show you the engine. This car is super clean. I need to vacuum it a little bit, but these mats are brand new, so all this stuff looks really good. There's these little imperfections on the wheel, but that's normal. Huh? Huge. Retarded. It's crazy they can even fit it in there. They're actually surprisingly easy to work on because you just take all that plastic off. I've watched a couple videos of people working on them. Oh, I bet I have to close this. Hang on. I'm gonna. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and here comes the rain as soon as we do that. Yeah, it's a roadster. This thing is, dude, this thing is amazing. I love this car. But it's a little bit like, I mean, to be able to have this, you have to have something else, I think. Unless you just don't have kids or don't have, I mean, unless you're just a boss.
You got the everyday driver, but then you got this.
Yeah, you need.
You got two cars.
Yeah, I mean, if you got the money to just drive this thing, good for you, but if it was me, I'm keeping it in the garage. It's like 58,000 something. It's a 2006. This is a little bit older. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but it is. But another thing about these is that Mercedes announced they're not making the V12 anymore. So these are going up in value. They've been going up month after month after month. Originally, I was looking at a SL600, but I got priced out of it after a while. But so those are 20s. Those are 22s. Those are 22s. They're 22s. I already looked at them. Are you serious? Oh my god. Yeah, those are 22s, Greta. They're huge. Those are 6. Those aren't factory. They just put the Maserati. Back in it. Yeah, and the back. The front row. I've been there. Are they 305? 285. 285. What is the profile? 25 CR. Those are sick. Are they? Yeah, the 25 CR. Those are like racing tires.
How'd you learn so much about the luxury cars? I know everything there is to know about the other cars, like Ford, Chevy.
Oh, I do too. I love those. Yeah. I used to have a Trans Am with LS1. I had an LT one too. Yeah, it was 383 stroker, fully built motor.
I had a Camaro with an LS1.
Like, dude, it was sick. I had a Mustang with a 351 Windsor in it, dude. That was a crazy car built.